Getting approved for a credit card with bad credit can be challenging, but there are a few steps you can take to increase your chances. 1. Check your credit score and credit report. Your credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness, based on your credit history. You can check your credit score for free through various online services, such as Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. Your credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including your payment history, credit utilization, and any negative items like late payments or collections. You can obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once per year at annualcreditreport.com. 2. Apply for a secured credit card. A secured credit card requires a deposit, typically between $200 and $500, which serves as collateral for your credit limit. This deposit reduces the risk for the credit card issuer, making it easier for them to approve you even if you have bad credit. Your credit limit will typically be equal to your deposit, but some secured credit cards may offer a higher credit limit after a certain period of responsible use. 3. Consider a cosigner. A cosigner is someone who agrees to take on responsibility for your credit card debt if you are unable to pay. This person must have good credit and be willing to cosign on your application. Keep in mind that if you miss payments or default on the account, the cosigner will be held responsible. 4. Look for credit cards for people with bad credit. Some credit card issuers offer credit cards specifically designed for those with bad credit. These cards may have higher interest rates and fees, but they can be a good option if you're trying to rebuild your credit. Look for cards with features like low annual fees, no application fees, and the ability to earn rewards. 5. Be prepared to provide additional information. If you have bad credit, the credit card issuer may require additional information to evaluate your application. This may include proof of income or employment, bank statements, or other financial documentation. Be prepared to provide this information in a timely manner to improve your chances of approval. Remember that building good credit takes time and effort. Once you are approved for a credit card, make sure to use it responsibly by keeping your balance low and paying your bills on time. Over time, this will help you improve your credit score and qualify for better credit products in the future.